I found out I had breast cancer just by watching how I was feeling, and there was a lump on the right side. I was shocked. It was a moment where you just think that this only happens to somebody else. The general surgeon said if I was his daughter or cousin or aunt that he would recommend the mastectomy. He said, this is the most important thing you're gonna do. And he said, you're young, so we're gonna hit you hard. And you're gonna be in for blood tests, and you're gonna come in for radiation, you're gonna come in for chemo. But that is the most important thing that you have to focus on right now. So when I kind of wrestled with that and came to terms with that, it really was the best advice. So the first time getting out of the bed after the mastectomy, nobody tells you what it feels like. You feel off balance. Not having a part of you is alarming. It takes some time to get used to the fact that your body is not the same. The plastic surgeon did recommend to wait a full year, year and a half, not just for my body to heal through everything, but to make sure that I was emotionally ready to have reconstruction. So when I decided to have plastic surgery and to have reconstruction, I visited Stonegate, and the doctor there, the nurses, everyone was wonderful. I knew that I was going to have great care. The doctor was very thorough, took a lot of photos before and afters, wanted to make sure that we came up with a good plan. The first part of the reconstruction was called a tram flap. So that in itself was an 8-hour surgery. I healed from that, and then after that, he decided, okay, we need to make things look equal, so we put a small implant on the left side. My experience at Stonegate was really seamless. I feel like from the start to the finish, things were explained to me. I knew I could trust the doctor. I knew that I was going to get great care. If I had questions, I could call and ask at any time, and I wasn't made to feel foolish for asking questions. So for me, Stonegate was the place to choose. I would recommend just really listening to your body, making sure that if there is something questionable, just get it checked out. You can live a long time if you don't ignore the signs. When you go through something like this, you don't look at life the same. You want to grab everything that you can from life and try to seize the moment.